In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a client list in ClickUp. We'll start right at the source. Open ClickUp in your browser or launch the desktop app if you prefer. Make sure you're signed into the correct workspace so your new client list lands in the right place. Next, head to the space where you want this list to live. In ClickUp, a space is a top-level container that keeps related work together, like sales, operations, or account management. Choose the space that best matches how your team organizes client information. Keeping your list inside the most relevant space will make it easier to find, share, and report on later. Inside that space, look for the plus icon. You'll usually see it in the sidebar or near the top, and it's your shortcut for adding new items. Go ahead and click the plus icon to begin creating something new within this space. From the options that appear, select Lists. In ClickUp, a list is where tasks live, and it's perfect for a client list because each client can be a task with details, statuses, and due dates if needed. Choosing a list here sets up a clean, structured container for all of your client entries. A creation panel will open, asking for a name. Type a clear, consistent title that your whole team will recognize at a glance. Something like Client List or Active Clients Q2 works well. If your organization uses naming conventions, stick to those so your list is easy to search and sort later. This is also a good moment to think about clarity. If you plan to have multiple client lists, consider adding a region, team, or time frame to the name for quick filtering. When you're happy with the name, click Create. ClickUp will spin up your new list instantly. You'll land in an empty list view, ready for you to add your first client as a task. From here, you can customize things over time to fit your workflow, like adding custom fields for account owner, contract value, or renewal date, and refining statuses to match your client lifecycle. Those enhancements aren't required to get started, but they'll help you turn a simple list into a powerful client database as your needs grow. That's it. You've opened ClickUp, navigated to the right space, used the plus icon to add a new item, chosen lists, named it clearly, and created your client list. Save this structure, keep your naming consistent, and your team will always know exactly where to find client information. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in ClickUp.